Hi everyone, very good morning to all of you. Today we are on chapter 5th, class 7th, some natural resources. So the first point is wind and breeze. So moving air is called wind. चलती हुई हवा जब तेज चलती है उसे हम wind कहते हैं. Air moves in the atmosphere horizontally due to difference in atmospheric pressure and temperature from one place to another and cause wind to blow at various speeds. अलग अलग इनकी स्पीड्स होती है. The difference in temperature from region to region on Earth is due to uneven heating of Earth's surface. It happens because of the tilted position of Earth, rotation and revolution of the Earth. Since the Earth spins on its own axis as well as revolution around the sunlight that reaches on the Earth is unevenly distributed. Okay, so these are the reasons why the wind arises. Now come on the breeze. So the wind blow in coastal area cause breeze. A breeze is a light and cool wind. ये एक ठंडा और हल्का विंड होता है. It's of two type. ये दो टाइप का होता है. First is sea breeze and the second is land breeze. When warm air from land moves toward sea, it was sea breeze. When warm air from sea moves toward land, it's called land breeze. समर टाइम में when the temperature high, सभी लोग जानते हैं गर्मी में मौसम हाई टेम्परेचर हाई होता है. बोथ लैंड एंड द सी वाटर एब्जॉर्ब द सेम amount of heat, but water being a good absorber of heat is less temperature than that of land near sea. So the warm air of the land rises up and is placed by cool air from the sea and result into sea breeze. At night condition change, the land cools faster than the sea, so warm air above the sea rises up and replaced by the cool air from the land. It results into a land breeze. So breeze are of two types: sea breeze and land breeze. Okay. So the second point is air exert pressure. We all know हवा दबाव डालता है. So how do you feel when you ride a bicycle against the direction of wind? आप लोगों ने सभी ने महसूस किया होगा, फील किया होगा. We need to apply more forces on the pedal of a bicycle to move against the direction of wind. It is because air also exert a force on the bicycle that resists its movement. हवा के अपोजिट अगर हम जाएंगे, जिधर हवा ब्लो हो रहा है उसके अपोजिट हम जाएंगे, हमें ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, हम जानते हैं. बट व्हाट इज एयर? इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड सम अदर गैसेस. द पार्टिकल like atomic molecules of these gases possess kinetic energy to move fast, and when they move they strike with each other and with the object in surrounding. Thus air exerts pressure on every and in all direction, on everything. हवा सब चीज पे दबाव डालता है और सभी दिशाओं में दबाव डालता है. So the pressure exerted by atmosphere depend mainly on two factors. इसके लिए दो factors responsible हैं. First one is temperature of a place. उस जगह का temperature. So generally temperature place at high temperature or at low pressure, then pressure place at low temperature. Why? Because we all know the ठंडी हवा भारी होती है वो नीचे आती है और गर्म हवा हल्की होती है वो ऊपर जाती है. इट इज बिकॉज हाई टेम्परेचर कॉज एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एयर. अगर हम हवा को गर्म करते हैं तो वो एक्सपेंड हो जाती है. And so does the air pressure. On the other hand, the lower temperature make air to shrink or contract. जब हम ठंडा करते हैं तो एयर श्रिंक हो जाती है, which increase the density, और श्रिंक होने पर उसकी डेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है of air, and so the air pressure. So here the third point is altitude. What do we mean by altitude? So the air pressure is maximum at sea level. Okay, so as we move upward, जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाएंगे तो air pressure decrease, हवा का प्रेशर कम होता चला जाता है because of reduction of air molecules at high altitude. Since there are lesser molecules of air at height, we feel breathlessness on माउंटेन. इसलिए पहाड़ पे हम जब जाते हैं, कोई पर्वत पे हम जब जाते हैं तो हमें सांस लेने में दिक्कत आती है. The second point is humidity. So humidity may also affect the air pressure as moist air is less dense than dry air. हमने पहले ही पढ़ रखा है. So therefore humid air exert less pressure. ठंडी हवा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है या श्रिंक हो जाती है, ये आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है. नाउ व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ wind? Wind has two important characteristics. The first is direction and the second is speed. Direction and speed. Okay, So first point is direction. So we can find the direction of wind using an instrument called wind vane or weather vane. Okay. So wind vane has two parts. The first is pointer and second is cardinal directional marker. Vane and weather vane both are the same thing. Okay. So wind vane has two parts. The first is pointer and the second is cardinal directional marker.